Welcome dear students to PNMRC e-learning classes. Dear students, we shall start with a new chapter of English today, that is many kinds of art. So what is an art? Art is something that is created with imagination and skill and that is beautiful or that expresses important ideas or feelings. The works that are created by artists like paintings, sculptures, etc., that are created to be beautiful or to express important ideas or feelings. So there are 7 types of arts and they are painting, architecture, sculptures, literature, music, theatre performance act you can say and cinema. The entire unit refers to different forms of art, that is painting, drawing, rangoli, photography, etc. So children, today we are going to learn in this chapter about the many kinds of arts and how these create interest among all of us. So, unit number 1, many kinds of art, activity number 1. This unit is about art. This picture is a famous art print by Currier and Ives, first printed in 1872. What do you see in the picture? List all the things you see that you can name in English. How many words did you list? Share your list with your classmates who made the longest list and write one word that you learned from a classmate's list. So children, this unit is about art and the picture is a famous art print by Currier and Ives. And this picture was first printed in 1872. And what do you see in this picture? We can see a fox standing on its rear legs against a tree in the woods. Its front right paw is on the tree trunk and the left one is dangling. It is looking back at the 3 passenger pigeons sitting on the tree to be left. This is an elusive picture. It has got many animals and faces of human beings hidden. If we look closely at the picture, we can find at least 7 human faces on the tree trunks. We can also find one deer sitting near the trunk on the left tree, one wolf at the bottom of the picture, one wolf at the center, one tiger behind a distant tree to the right, one bridled horse between 2 distant trees. Here, almost we can see 12 words listed, and the names of the things that we see in the picture are trunk, fox, birds, bushes, woods, pigeons, bridled tree, rocks, undergrowth, branches, and elusive. Right, children? Understood? These are the things that we can see in the picture. So, this is the art by Currier and Ives. So, children, next moving on to activity number 2, and in this activity, we are going to learn about the life and work of an artist named Vincent van Gogh. Vincent Willem van Gogh was a Dutch post-impressionist painter who is among the most famous and influential figures in the history of Western art. In just over a decade, he created 2,100 artworks, including around 860 oil paintings, most of which date from the last 2 years of his life. They include landscapes, still lifes, portraits, and self portraits, and are characterized by bold colors and dramatic, impulsive, and expressive brush work that contributed to the foundations of modern art. He was not commercially successful, and suicide at 37 came after years of mental illness, depression, and poverty. The notable works of Vincent Willem van Gogh was Potato Eaters, Sunflowers, Bedroom in Aries, the Starry Night Portrait of Dr. Gatchet Wheatfield with Cross. So these are the notable works done by Vincent Willem van Gogh. Right, children? So Vincent van Gogh was an artist who lived in the Netherlands from 1853 to 1890. He painted more than 900 paintings. During his life, he's only sold one painting, but now his paintings are very valuable and famous. Van Gogh liked to use very thick paint and he loved color. Look at this detail from one of his paintings. What colors do you see in this portrait? Do you see the rough texture of the canvas? How would you describe the paint? Is it thick, thin, heavy, light, dark, bright, soft, hard, flat, bumpy, or firm? Van Gogh made these strokes with his brush. Do you think he pushed on the canvas firmly or softly? Did he move the brush quickly or slowly? How do you think he made these marks? So we can see grey color the most here, then brown color is seen and some patches of yellowish green color and are also seen. The paint seems like that of a ropey or wrinkly surface formed by great amount of flow of fluid lava. It is light, bright, soft and bumpy. And he made these strokes with his brush. He must have pushed on the canvas very quite softly. So Van Gogh was a master artist. He could bring in the effect on the canvas that he desired. He might have made these marks very precisely and elaborately. So children, this is the art made by Van Gogh and he is an artist from the Netherlands. Understood children? In the next video, we can learn Van Gogh's style, name and at least 3 things that all the paintings have in common. Hope you like this video children. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.